Okay. Good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your biodata from Jazz, correct?
Yes po, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Ah, hindi po masyado, ma'am.
Not so much. Okay. So are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes po, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
This is your first time working abroad?
Yes po, ma'am.
Okay, so our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes po.
Okay, what is your name?
My name is Rhea Carmity Rimulyo.
How old are you?
I'm 24 years old, ma'am.
Are you single or married?
Single po, ma'am.
Single with live-in partner or single mom?
Single mother po.
Okay, how many children do you have?
I have three kids, ma'am.
Okay, ages?
Firstborn po, ma'am, is 7 years old, and the second born is 5 years old, and the third is 3 years old.
Okay, when is your birthday?
July 29, 1999.
What is your height and your weight?
5'1" a ma'am.
Your weight?
55 po, ma'am.
What about your religion?
Islam po, ma'am.
Islam. Okay, what about your educational background?
High school.
High school graduate. Okay, so Rhea, this is your first time working abroad. So are you ready? Are you prepared for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes po, ma'am.
Can you endure homesickness?
No.
No. Can you overcome your homesickness? Can you fight
Yes po, ma'am.
homesickness? Because this is your first time
Yes
working
po, ma'am.
abroad and you will
Yes
working
po,
quite
ma'am.
far away from your family.
Yes po, ma'am.
So are you ready for those unexpected situations that might happen to you for the past 2 years?
Yes po.
Yeah, because you know that homesick will going to strike you frequently, and then you cannot easily go back home knowing that you have a 2 years contract. You sign a 2 years contract, and you know what will be the consequences once you breach the contract, right?
Yes po, ma'am.
You need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency. Nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, and you're the one who decided, correct? To come and work
Yes
here.
po. Yes po.
Okay, so in your by data, it was stated that you have a working experience in the Philippines way back 2016 to 2018, right?
Yes po, ma'am.
Okay, can you share it with me? What did you do there to your previous employer here? What job did you do?
Um, this 2016, ma'am.
Yes.
As a nanny po.
Okay, uh how old is the children that you take care?
2 years old, ma'am.
Only one?
Yes po, ma'am.
Okay, while taking care of this kid, did you do house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing? Are you a stay-in maid there?
Yes po.
Yes.
Yes po.
Okay, way back 2022 to 2023, you work as a housemaid also.
Housemaid and nanny po.
Okay, how old is the child that you take care?
4 years old po.
1 year, right?
4 years old po.
I mean you work there for 1 year.
Yes po. Yes po.
Okay, did you focus on taking care of this kid or you do also
Yes po.
house chores at the same time?
Ano po, house, then after house, baby.
Okay, did you cook, laundry, and ironing?
Yes po.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes po.
Are you okay to take care pets?
Yes po.
Can you take care children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes po.
Yeah, because there is no such a thing here, Rhea, that you will just focus on taking care of baby. No such a thing, okay? It is same like you are mother to your children, right? You are a multitasking and you are flexible. And you told me that you are a single mom also, correct?
Yes po, ma'am.
So you need to apply it also once you come to reach here in Malaysia, okay? Because there is no easy job when you work in any other countries, okay?
Yes po, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people? Can you take care
No
elderly?
po. No po.
Okay, so what about caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person? Can you
Ano
hear
ba?
me? Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes po, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes
But
po.
you cannot take care elderly. Elderly?
No, ma'am.
So you can caregiving for bedridden patient lah.
Yes po.
Okay. So are you aware in usage of our mobile handphone?
Yes po, ma'am.
Okay, what is it if you are aware?
Unsa?
If you are aware in usage of mobile handphone about the rules and regulations, what is it?
2 hours, ma'am.
Yeah, you cannot hold your phone for the whole day because you are working. But you can hold it during nighttime, like 2 to 3 hours, to contact your family back in the Philippines. After that, you will render your phone to your employer. You okay, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you have a once a week rest day also, and you cannot go out, knowing that COVID-19 is still ongoing. And this is our rules and regulations that we strictly prohibited helper to go out during the rest day, but instead they will going to rest on employer's house. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so you okay, right?
Right po.
Okay, so I just wanted to make it clarify to you, Rhea, because I don't want later that we have problem. I don't want later that once you reach here in Malaysia, you will complain that you don't know about our rules, okay? As much as
Yes po.
possible in our initial interview, I wanted to ask this whether you agree or you bet to disagree about our rules, because if you don't agree, then we will not force you to come here in Malaysia, okay?
Yes po.
Okay, so normally, how will you gonna fight your homesickness? Like, for example, if you miss your children, what will you do?
After work po, I'm call.
You will call your family.
Yes po, after work.
By the way, who will going to take care of these children? Because you say that you are a single mom.
Yes, ma'am.
Who will going to take
Ay,
care?
my mother po.
How old is your mother and what is her occupation?
54 po.
What is his
Housewife po yung mother ko.
housewife? Okay, what about your father?
Driver po.
Driver. Okay, Rhea, so working abroad is not that so easy, okay? It's a very tough one. It's so hard. But you need to strive harder for your family. You must always think that why you wanted to go in any other countries, because you wanted to sustain your family's needs, to sustain your kids' needs, okay?
Yes po, ma'am.
Okay, so you need to be strong, because if you don't have that determination, then nothing will happen to you, okay? You must finish 2 years contract, okay?
Yes po.
Okay, so my last question is why you choose to come here in Malaysia? Why you didn't choose to go in Singapore or Hong Kong or in any other countries?
Because Malaysia is safe.
Malaysia is safe.
Yes po.
Okay, I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp, because agents here in Malaysia will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, have a good day.